Hello everyone and welcome to Mzansi's Funniest Videos. This is Davis Mohomo. Please like, comment and share. Enjoy this one, guys. Yo, the cats is an AI. Yethu
lapho usho umfana ohlala ethaveni ubusuku bonke azakakele khona umuzi wememeza ethi khona umuntu akakhe ethaveni
Eshimlungu uthini
wena wabulala ahandi la chona nje wena uphelele namhlanje yima beka phansi utshwala ngamshaya lo hayibo ngamshaya manje lo
families.
Lamakhaza thina was-affect si-affect ukuthi i-bank balance ithini awungilale nje ngithini lamakhaza lawa was-affect si-affect ukuthi namanje sokuthoba namalini namanje sonika abantu malini. That's all.
Hey baba uva.
Hi Ntwana, I'm here by the corner Ntwana.
Shesha ndoda.
Wena?
I'm parked by the garage opposite your house.
Ntwana man, I can see you man, va? Hey baba, what car are you driving Ntwana?
The white BMW boy.
Le Mercedes Benz.
Yeah, no, what?
Ntwana, shaya ma hazard Ntwana ngathi ngiyakubona.
Ndoda send live location, yeah.
Ntwana, I'm here boy.
Va, where?
You see there?
There where?
Yeah.
Ntwana, we were early, now we are late because of you.
Man.
We are leaving you boy.
Oh Ntwana, I see you man, can't you hello?
Yeah boy, where are you?
I'm behind your car boy.
Ntwana, we're gonna leave you outside.
Hi man, just give me 10 minutes.
Yo, Jim.
Musari mabirinya intera kusameka kamu. Musari unyala ga 1. Udontaba litho, zongenza litho kakota yewe yawe ni. Musari unyala ha 1. Wa unyala beri yena.
Mwana omuntu so.
Ayishare makoti kichwari. Kichwari kuzochela, ojela bantu rekho.
Content.
Wena ukapia wa umuntu alenda ukunikulela.
Eish.
Nna a kere hore a o rate or wa o fitlha ke no re fela o nna le ena na mo poster
O nasa mrate ole. O rata o.
ya o tsebisa.
Hello guy.
Ke shapo wena.
Ke shapo.
Basadi ba fedile.
No zama phone le afternoon.
Yeah, ke nna ne ke zama phone la ka number nngwe.
Okay, no ring.
Ne ke re o freening.
Wena o gola ni.
A yele re ke sa le boleleng. Na ibile le nya ke le mosadi wa lekgowa aye.
O gola ni.
Baby, mara wa kokwa tshepo tlo bolaisa mala we
Mama Griza.
magpona lapne mankapile ne kana wa sheno ko mora wa ntlo so kutlwa tshepo o bolela le kokwa hae a re yo kokwa itse mamane ke lorile ke le mechanic
He rana.
kokwa ya a wa nka o tshepa ngwana ka we ka re ke dile ke re ka o cheka ko kamoreng ya hao he ke bula le bati ke kreile o ikhurumeditse mara for re tswetse ko ntla diko
Let's do it.
Udo mara.
awa baby awa bogole
O ko rena ro betsa ke dise mara foro se mo tadiko. Allora le mechanic.
ai baby
bateng ne ke re ke tlole hopotsa he company e tlhoka bosso CEO ke sale teng ke teng le sante bala nka thoma le kausana
O poso.
Shosho exito. So mfana. Tinza.
Mfana. O bone motho wa thabile o suna can't crash ya hae modumedi.
Palme kwa mputisa mmo da tsambra na Jesu na sina ba rutiwa ba basadi cause na avoid hore na nka se Jerusalem ke sina tseleta miriri awa akile kisha
guys mina ngifuna ukunitshela manga ne ngabe nyawathenga la matekwini la wa ku WhatsApp lawa yabona inkinga nina nibonga kakhulu like ngithanda ukubonga
How?
Abo thank you for your support. Abo happy client. Ba ku status. So shootiwe lapha na namateke esandleni.
And ne ke re before mo fa chance to explain. Just know gore wa khona go lebella street ka mahlong are let me be honest with you. and still lie.
I bet he's honest, still.
And still lie. Like, they lie for no reason. Unprovoked nje muthudo Tom.
I-long distance relationship eyani kanti la uhlala khona kunabantu hayi man niyahlanya kanti semhlabeni
Bathathiwe bonke.
Asheka mo taxing. Kere asheka mo taxing.
Apa respond.
La nghumelela.
Why were first?
Ya lingitsi lena.
A few moments later.
Drive after what? Alingitsi ne? Bisalempili.
Okay.
Enye inkinga yakho ukuthi wena yonke relationship ongena kuyona uyitshela ukuthi uzophelela emshadweni. Lalela amanye ama relationship ukuthi utravel nje udiscover amanye ama restaurant amasha ubone indawo. Musugagamela inkinga yakho
Mosifunela umshado. Funa kushada.
Adama no Eve base St John lapha. Athi wenza idunudu lapha bavele Genesis 1 chapter 1. At the beginning God created heaven and earth. Then he created Nashi. Then he created the dipstick. The dipstick must go to the Nashi. The Nashi must donus. Adunaga abambe lama window adunisele abambe. Tunozitaba phansi bethu. Esontweni lapha abathandaza. Manje bathole abothole hands up. Bathi phethe umlakalaka. Idabule ne-tight yomunye umntwana akhiphanga i-tight. Sibone nje makaphakamisa isikete ukuthi i-tight. Wathi udabule i-tight. Abantu abadela baphatha umlakalaka makwakhona ngahlabe nalisa le. Badale Adamu yike awufela monaka tlunku. Genesis 1 chapter 1 at the beginning God created heaven and he created the earth, then he created Nashi, then he put the Nashi there and the snake come and eat it. Bambi window
Tim.
Mateo Kolobeta Jesu Christ
Udinahana name pushes China.
La person to buy Mars. I got that. What is casting in my toilet? I want to just tell my pen. Angel into that.
Exaggeration.
Depression. I don't know if you had trend. This is when I was doing oh, Manuel, over into Zak at Mass and Sakfona person who was I want to see so good Padilla about Facebook.
Let's see.
Delete. Everything I delete. Mishatuakuzo Moshe. Wherever says the guy about Tara, when into his height into a macro crocodile, into a rhino, into a elephant.
Oh.
Oh, I can't go to the tacos a torrent. No, that's South Africa. I shoot time.
But Lavanta recordayo. Why?
Tanga ifai kakhulu. Ngoba tacos ukuza. My sister thina sithi our hands are tight asazoba nephostile le video. Now siyagcolisa. Nawe ngasisa wangaya esikhathini toilet nawo ungena. Kanti maniya lapha lesikhathi sokwenza lento lezeno niyathandaza lapha. Kanti nenza bodunudu. Wena Adamu skeke
Uyetsa wes. Wena metsa thaba.
Mfazi womsamaria wamncisha. Manje ngithatha ispace sakhe. Ukuyimvethisa. No. Nasi na video ma. Hayi bathi nasibhiza sibona i-title sayabayikhipanga le-title agcine bayidabule le-title.
Hi guys, get me more on TikTok. Well, thanks for making it this far. Thanks for liking. Thanks for sharing. See you in the next upload. Bye.